Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide
for Ford's 1999 to 2016 F-250 Superduty.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Uninstall and lift your truck's cab. This part features perforations to accommodate the front cab mount and the engine crossmember. If you are keeping these parts, remove the perforations now. If you are replacing these parts, cut off the factory parts now. Step 3. Remove any frame rot or rust from the work area and spray the work area with a weld-through primer. Slide the frame section onto the frame rail using the frame holes for alignment. C-clamp the part in place. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part to the frame prior to welding all edges fully. Step 4. Paint the part and work area with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Step 5. Lower and reinstall your truck's cab. Now, get back out on the road.